Hi, I'm going to talk about my website. In this website, it will explain different aspects of becoming a pediatric nurse practitioner. In the next page, it will be the biography. In the biography, it will have why I want to be involved in pediatrics, as well as my experience relating to pediatrics and some of my hobbies. The next page will consist of resources. This will be the page that backs up the information that I provide. The next page would be favorite aspects when it comes to nurse practicing. Next, I will have some technology projects such as the digital story, the PLE and PLN, the mobile app, and website evaluations. Last on this website, it will be the overall evaluations consisting of a certificate of approval and a voice screencast of everything stated in this website, as I'm doing right now. All right, here we have the biography. I am a senior at LSU. My major is kinesiology pre-med. I want to go to nursing school. I have to take the HESI exam before November and then apply for the schools that I desire before January 15th. Within that schooling, I hope to learn and progress in the path of my future career. I aspire to be a pediatric nurse practitioner. After nursing school, I plan on getting my MSN, which is a higher level of BSN, and then after my MSN, I plan to get my license to be a practitioner. I have so many reasons as to why I want to be a pediatric nurse, but I would say the main reason is that I just love helping people. I want to use that love in being able to care for and treat children. I see children as our future, and I want to be able to make them as healthy as possible to the best of my ability. Also, when I get the time, I try to be active. Some hobbies that I enjoy are volleyball, cooking, reading, working out, yoga, tennis, and many more. I wish I had more time to do everything equally. I like having a hobby because it allows me to take a break from reality for a bit and just regroup in whatever entertainment that I am doing, whether it's yoga or playing volleyball. I enjoy doing things that make me happy and relax. Next, we have are my resources. These are the websites that I use for the information in my website. All right, next we have my favorites. And in these favorites, these are my favorite websites that gave me the most important information that I use to provide in my website. All right, so now we have our technology projects. So our first project, it's going to discuss being a pediatric nurse practitioner. It talks about the steps to being pediatric nursing, which is going to nursing school and then getting your BSN. Then you are now a certified nurse. You have to get some experience in nursing fields before increasing your level of degree. Then from an RN to a BSN or RN to an MSN, which is a master's in nursing. Then from your master's, you then declare which field you want to center around and gain the required experience in that. And then after getting your MSN, you are now a graduate nurse. In order to get your master's in nursing, you have to be able to study hard and use the tips and other resources around to help you. After gaining your degree, you then get some more experience as an MSN in higher hospitals that are also focused on your field of study. Then you get your license to be a practitioner and hopefully are able to own your own practice. All right, and then this next project that we have was a digital scavenger hunt around campus, LSU's campus. And it's basically just pictures of informational things that are posted or informational things around campus and what they are and how they benefit students. All right, next we have my digital story. And for my digital story, I did it on cooking during COVID-19 because that is when my cooking interest peaked because there was no restaurants open, so making a homemade meal was your best option. Then we have our PLE and PLN, and it talks about my specific PLE and PLN and my tools and my services that can be used. such as Baton Rouge General, which is where I am right now, or colleagues or relatives, LSU Health Center, teachers or family members. Services are blogs, articles, Facebook, Instagram, newsletters, LinkedIn, some tools maybe to help get in touch with other schools or anyone that can help to further your career, are phone calls, letters, interviews, resumes, emails, Google Sites. A PLE describes the tools, communities, and services that constitute the individual educational platforms learners use to direct their own learning and pursue educational goals. A PLN is a way to describe the group of people that you connect with to learn their ideas, their questions, their reflections, and their references. And right here we have categories such as the blogs, curation tools, and microblogs. We have the definition of the three, as well as examples and reflections. A blog is an online diary or journal located on a website. It includes pictures, links, GIFs, and videos. It is mostly used for personal use. Curation tool are applications that help you find and share relevant, valuable content. Great content curation tools let you search for content based on their topics for the influencers who have shared the content. A microblog is a concise blog, usually under 300 words, that can have images, GIFs, links, infographics, videos, and audio clips. Next, we have the mobile app. And in my mobile app, I had QR Stuff. And QR Stuff is basically an app that allows teachers or anyone who are trying to make a website. It allows you to build a QR code reader and be able to send it out to others so that they are also able to get in touch with that website easily. It allows you to generate non-expiring QR codes for websites for easy access. It allows you to make artwork and even clothing containing that QR code. It is online through Microsoft, iOS, or Android. Websites that you can use are Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. It is 100% free and it's unlimited use. Teachers can use this website to be able to create QR codes to give their students for easy access, whether it's study tools or for homework. Some benefits are the teachers are able to make teaching easier and innovative. You have the ability to make a dynamic, which is an editable QR, or a static, which is a QR code that cannot be edited. Some challenges for this app is if some students don't have a phone with them, they won't be able to access the website through the QR code. Or if you were to accidentally create a static QR code and mess up the website or had a few mistakes, you wouldn't be able to edit it out. This is a video on how to use the QR Stuff app. All right, and next we have website evaluations. And this is an evaluation of a website that focused on pre-kindergarten and pre-kinder. The website is called Pre-Kinder. It is a site designed to help children who are just starting in school to learn the basic subjects. It is designed in a way to innovatively teach students or their children in a fun way that will help them learn. Next, we have evaluations. We have the Apple Teacher Certification. Then we have this screencast. We also have a tech blog, which is our blogging site that each of us made for our website. And it talks about how to use Wiki, which is an online application known as a website that allows internet users to be able to add or edit the content. Wiki is a creative website that allows anyone to have a voice in relation to a specific content. There is no author of a wiki, it is just freely open. Then we talk about copyright and fair usage. We talk about that copyright is seen everywhere. Some people copyright without even noticing it. Copyright allows that the owner of any type of work has the only right to reproduce, distribute, display, or transform that piece of work. Unless you have the permission of the said owner, then you should not be copyrighting any of the work for your personal use. And then the first post is about me and talks about me and what I like to do and my future. And let's go back to the website. And that is it.